In this clip we're going to do a compression test on the culloch 250 and need the compression tester and ratchet. We need a 13/16 plug socket and screwdriver, pair of pliers. So we're just going to move the cover here, just put it on one side and get a screwdriver and just pop off the plug wire. Now next step, now we're going to remove the plug. It's in here. Now we get our 13/16 plug socket. Put the wire back there. Like your plug. Next thing we're going to use the tester. So we'll insert the tester into the plug hole. Make sure it's on the right thread. Screw it all the way home. Now, piece of copper wire. I'm going to tie back the trigger. Give the carburetor fully open. So, need the carburetor fully open. Give her as much air on the carburetor. And switch off our switch, or on off switch. So just knock her to the off position. So just back to it. Now we'll give her a few pulls now and we'll see what kind of reading we get. So now she's all set up, we'll give her a wee pull. So she's kicking out about 120 about, yeah, 119 exactly. Not bad for a 40-year-old saw. So we'll just do the decompression here. It's not bad, it's an old saw. A bit of life in her yet. So once it's out over the 100, you're not so bad. So most of the other saws now we're in the 150. So she's not bad. 119. She's 40-year-old. Good old saw. So next step now, we'll put the plug back in again. And before that, we'll just check the spark, see what kind of sparks have it. So we'll use our old sparker plug here. It's just an old T20 spark plug. It's a Champion N21. Just cut off the tip. It gives you an idea how strong your spark. Sparks jump across the electrode there onto the earth. Just a little way of checking the spark, how strong the spark is. This model would have points in it, and condenser system. It's also the old system, so we'll have a video from for another time. So in this one now we're just going to check the spark. So now we have installed our sparker plug, test plug here onto the lead, the coil lead, and put our earth clamp on here. Back onto the chain there. We've got a 11 point there. Even the bar there. Just but a raw bit of metal. So we've selected the on and run position. So next step now is all wired up and give it a wee pull over. Now Test lead plugs on onto the lead. Earth wires onto the chain of the bar anymore. There's a good earth. Give a wee pull over and check the sparks. So you see it's up there. Keep a spark there. Get a review that. Give a little bit of close up there. There you go. We'll pull over the handle. So plenty of spark there, plenty of power there. So we'll put it together again now, and we'll go to the next operation. So it's just a handy way of checking your spark. We check the compression, 119, good spark, and that's the 40-year-old McCulloch. So just a good earthing point there. So this was a clampy, you might go and use yourself to plug it out of the clips here and a bit of wire. Just handy for earthing plug there when you're going to check your spark. Next operation now, we'll just clean the spark plug here and we'll just set it. These older files have the big 16 drive plug. Well, theirs is all 19mm. A little socket there, so that a small 19. For next operation, I'll just clean the plug here and we'll set it at about 28. And it's not too bad, alright, so it's not too far. We'll be cleaning, put it back in again. And we'll go on to our next operation. And we'll check the compression on the still there. And we've done the compression on the Oleo Mac. So get both of them saws we clean up, sharpen them, and they're ready to go. Bar the cover. So that's our next operation now. We're going to put the plug back in. Now our plug's clean and set. Next thing we'll just stick it back in. Put it in by finger. With 3-4 turns, and finger tight with this plug, and just sweeten her up. And put on her plug wire again, push it all the way home, stick on her cover again. And unclip the earth wire. And just like that. Choke on. So that's her. Wouldn't mind starting up on here for too much smoke, so that's the McCulloch 350. Check it off now. And I'll link to replace the stain or some next video, and the clutch. That's our next operation.